Hi guys, welcome to Sharvision channel. Today we are going to explain about four companies: Nagarjuna Fertilizer and Chemical Limited, and Reddington, and Wellspoon Corporate Limited, and Raymond. So these four stock I am selecting for swing trading purpose, so that we will watch out today in technical analysis entire about these stocks. So let's watch it till the end. We can get the good idea about these stocks. Let's go directly to the video now. Before that, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered person. This video only for education purpose, not for calls and tips. So if really like this video, please press the like button and subscribe and support to me. Let's go directly to the video now. So today I'm taking a Reddington India Limited. So see guys, this Reddington India Limited, already I uploaded one video separately for this Reddington company related to fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis in the month of I think June mid. I think June mid this time I have been uploaded. So if you want to watch it, you can go through in our playlist, and entire video is there. You can check it out, then you can come to this video, then only you can get the ideas. So I already told this place, if you want to buy this stock, it may go up to around 350. So same it has happened now. So now also opportunity is available to us. So what I am saying here, so now at present I'm recording at 2:30 p.m. today. So as of now the current market price is 350. So we can enter up this price also. Our target would be at fixed at 388.35 first target. It may take a time. It is only for swing trading, and second target is 421. So I think you can get my point. And this stocks as soon as possible around August 20th, this stock will be a split. So definitely this stock may go up to 421. So if you want to buy this stock at least 400, you can get it will be double. So double means split, the stock will be split. So this kind of program is going on. So earning date also coming that 30th July. So this company has already I think a debit free company and having good financial strength. So that I would suggest to this company go for long as well as stock short and swing trading. You can use it Reddington India Limited. I hope this stock will be useful for you. Next will be go and Nagarjuna Fertilizer. Today Nagarjuna Fertilizer is uh, good performance. Not only today. See, pressure is more, buying pressure. So I think this stock morning it was go up to 19 point something. Now it has been even though this stock will be, you can add it to your portfolio and watch it out. Don't enter above 20 rupees. You can enter. This stock may chance to go 27 rupees. So Nagarjuna Fertilizer now trading at 18.85, at present 230. So you can watch it out. After entry to 20 rupees we can enter. This is right price to enter, and it may go up to 27 rupees. So it is only for a swing trading, not for a day intraday. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. Next stock is Raymond. So Raymond India Limited, I think this stock is good performed today. See guys, this location has been given some good breakout happened today. At present market prices, current market price is 457. I think this stock definitely go to 535. So my opinion is this stock is go for long 612. If you want to go for a swing trading or short term, it will be up to 530. If any if you are not able to patient, you can book a profit at this level 534. So currently this stock is trading high volume 5.6 million. So I think earning data also coming on 5th August. So before that it will be give the touch this point. I think touch this 500, around 500. you can use it and utilize these stocks for short term or swing trading. I think this stock will be go up to 534. So Raymond, watch it your portfolio and add it. Next stock is Wellcorp. See, past 2 days, Wellcorp Corporation is doing a good performance. So yesterday and day before yesterday, and see guys, this stock definitely touch at this price level, 166. At present market price is 156.10. So I hope this stock 166 it will touch, and further it will take breakout, then it will go rally above the 180 or 190 up to 200. Maybe it will be happen. So if further in this location, in this part 166, after breakout only it will be happen. Until that you can wait. If you can take a trade, swing trade or BTST, it will be touch 167 definitely. So you can add it to your portfolio and watch it. Wellcorp is also good company. You can it is a metal sector, now currently market trading at 1.57 million. So I think this stock will be useful for you guys. Use it. These four stocks, I think my suggestion and opinion is use for swing trading, short term and long term, not for intraday. You can use it and watch it. I hope this video will be useful for you and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the press button. Thanks for watching. Let's go next video in upcoming days. Thank you.